To find the most recent GSDML file for the BNI00L3, please visit balluff.com and use the search icon to find the block's webpage containing the datasheets, configuration manual, GSDML files, and all other necessary support documents. We have already added the GSDML file to TIA via the GSDML tool under the Options menu. Let's find the BNI00L3 in our hardware catalog under Other Field Devices, Profinet I/O, Balluff Networking, and select the model that you will be using. After adding the block to your network, we need to name the block and give it an IP address. This step is for your project. Now let's physically name the block and give it an IP address. Navigate to the project tree and update accessible devices on the network interface that you have your network on. After double-clicking Online and Diagnostics, go to Functions and ensure the values meet what is in your project. You can assign the IP address and name the block here. Let's commit these changes and link the project with the block in TIA.